In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Go2bank login problems. If you've been struggling to log into your Go2bank account, hang tight as we go through some straightforward steps to help you get back in without a hitch. First off, let's make sure your credentials are in order. It's essential to verify that you're entering the correct username or email along with your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, which means that any discrepancy in capitalization can prevent you from logging in. So double check those entries and ensure that everything is typed in exactly as it should be. In the event that you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Simply click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts provided to reset your password through the email or phone number associated with your account. Just be certain that your new password adheres to Go2bank security requirements, which is crucial to maintaining your account's safety. Next, let's verify that your internet connection is stable. A spotty or intermittent network can sometimes be the culprit behind login issues. If you're having trouble, try accessing your account from a different browser or switch to using the Go2bank mobile app to see if this resolves the problem. Sometimes, the stored cache or cookies in your browser can interfere with your login attempts. To clear this potential stumbling block, take a moment to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Once that's done, try logging in again to see if this clears up any issues. For those using the Go2bank mobile app, it's a good idea to ensure that you have the latest version installed. Head over to the App Store on your iPhone or Google Play Store on your Android device to check for any available updates, as these can resolve bugs that might be affecting your login process. Occasionally, too many failed login attempts can trigger a temporary lock on your account. If this happens, give it a few minutes before retrying or opt to reset your password to regain access. If after all these steps you're still facing issues, it might be time to reach out to Go2bank customer support. They offer help via phone at 1-800-351-2355 or through their help center online. Their support team can assist in unlocking your account or diagnosing more intricate login issues that might be affecting you. I hope these steps have been helpful in addressing your Go2bank login troubles. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more fixes and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.